In 2 or 3 videos we'll be looking at histogram, what histogram is, what histogram do, and we'll be looking how we are going to optimize it. Well, for a little information, let me tell you guys what histogram is. Histogram is used for a numerical value in order to check their distribution across the whole column. So let's say if you want to have, if we have a column, let's say with some values from 20 to 60, so we will be looking at the distribution around 20 to 60, and we'll be also looking how the values are ordered, how they are formed, and is there any anomalies, is there anything that are, we can say, missing values. So that's what we are doing with the histogram. So first we need to import a few libraries. We'll be using Seaborn, so we can say we will be using two libraries, Seaborn and Matplotlib. So if we first need to import these two, as I said in the recent videos, that we need to keep things simplified as much as possible. So we'll be just, you can say, creating a chart with the less lines possible, and it will give us an interactive view. So that's what our goal is, and in order to understand the data. So we have here we have some numerical values here. We can say fair and age, they are distributed across whole distribution place. So we'll be looking at age, and be looking how histogram works and what it shows us, and how we can get idea that how the data are, how the following age are formed in the histogram. So the first step we need to do is we need to assign figure. We need to assign figure size. You can say let's make it 10 by 6. So the first step we need to do is assign a figure size, and after that we can say let's draw our plot. So we'll write sns.histplot, so it's already come here. So we'll first give, we'll say data, we have df, and after that we are looking at x here only because we are looking at the value. We can say we have let's say age, we have age, so we are looking at age here. So that's all, and after that we will just assign column names. So we can say x and y axis. We'll see x, you'll see x-axis, and we can say on x-axis we want age, and same for y-axis, y label we want count. So that's how we will be seeing the histogram. And you can say, let's say the title. So for title we can say what we are looking at, we are looking at distribution, this distribution of age groups, and now we will show it. Okay, so we have write the spelling wrong, so let's make it age. So here we are looking at the values here. So that's how histogram looks like. So if you can say, let's say legend, and let's remove that. We will look at it in the next video. So that's what histogram is. If you can see here, we are seeing count here, and we are seeing the values here. So mean there are, if you can see here, we have some values missing, mean it's in minus, we can say, or it is null. It's null. Yes, it's showing nulls. So we have nulls also here, and we can see the anomalies, and we can see how much values in. We can say we don't have 80 plus here, so mean it's empty. So that's what histogram is, and we'll be looking at different things in the next video. We'll be drawing a line here, how the data are formatted and how the data are formed. So you'll be looking at different things, and that's what we can say. With 5 to 6 line, we can just draw a histogram which shows really what we want to see. So that's how we can see histogram, and in order to look at the formation of the data.